Alright, we're back looking at my camera. I'm doing nothing today. I'm done for the night, so I'm just sitting here working hard. It's only 10:30 at night. I'm getting home early. So I was thinking about doing something on my YouTube site. I don't know what the hell can be done to it. It's a piece of crap, but videos are good. I need some help, probably free, because I'm cheap. If you get that, I'm cheap. Then I have no money, that helps too. Anyway, what I'm thinking about is I need somebody who knows how to do all this junk and lay up a front page that looks like it's worth the crap. I don't know how to make current videos come up. I redid this years ago. I don't even know how I did it. But I need help with that. And the other thing I need help with is I have all these videos here. I get lots of comments, which you guys can't see. And I would like to do more educational side and stuff and come up with some kind of a live stream type thing where you can question answer, I call it Q&A. Not quite a BS session, but an actual real question answer. Like this guy here, he wants to know how thick his thrust washer is on his whatever the hell he's working on there. Maybe I got close, you can read something. Anyway, I like commenting back on these. I comment all the time back. This is stuff that came in a day. Some guy doesn't know what kind of carburetor he's got, like I do either. So you only see these if you go to this actual video over here, and then you can see the comments. Me, I get them all in one place. I make comments. This guy wants a frame. No, I don't have it. This guy wants to know how come I don't have a Honda in my building. I told him what I thought of that. I was being polite though. So anyway, I do a lot of commenting back, but there's a lot of a lot of people leaving comments here. So I spend a lot of hours dicking around with this stuff because it's fun. I like helping people. But anyway, I wanted to do some kind of a live Q&A show where you can videotape in so we can communicate. I'd have probably two cameras go on, one camera on the screen so we can see who in the hell we're talking about, and then doing another camera walking around. Oh, I want to know what do you want to know? What's a Harley parts book look like? Oh, they look like this. They have parts listings in them. Boom, there you go. That's what they look like. What's a piston look like? Like those right there. There's a piston. Evo, Wiseco, whatever. You want to know something? What's an air cleaner? What's a fork brace? Here's a fork brace. That's also known as a tweak bar. This one actually fits a 73 CH. That means it's 35 millimeter. This is not a Repop's original crap. I got a lot of crap like that. Maybe you didn't know what a tweak bar was. Oh, that's a tweak bar. I could just tell you and show you. More than likely, all the crap around here I could probably have one or two of them floating around anyway. I could show it to you. So I thought that'd be a nice thing to do. I don't know how to do it. That blog stuff, I'm not into. That's a bunch of crap. I don't feel like wasting my time. These chat rooms are same junk. I don't care about doing that junk. So I want something real on, communicate between people. So, I don't like all this YouTube stuff where I go up onto here and you got all these stupid ads everywhere. You click on one of my videos and you go to the stuff. So some way getting this up to the cloud where you don't have to listen to some dumbass talking about something. Besides me, I already know I'm a dumbass. So usually you get a bunch of ads come up. That junk. So there's a way of getting onto a cloud-based format, subscription deal or something, minimal, a couple bucks, big deal. And just go to something where you can see something. You'll get all these stupid ads that keep popping up. And we definitely need to get a better idea what this looks like. This is what it might look like. If you're a new visitor, you get this view over here, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a new visitor. Here's my old military bike, having fun with it. I don't care if you guys don't like it. And, stuff like that. These videos are all old. FXR, geez, I haven't worked in those things, and that's 5 years ago shit. Need some more current stuff in here. Like I said, I don't know how to work all this stuff, how to do it. Someone show me how to do it. I know how to ride. I can do that. But anyway, that's stuff like this is nice to get some help on it. But the biggest thing, I want to do some kind of a live thing where I can do the comments. If you want to know how many videos I got that many videos right now. So if you said you already watched them all, bullshit. I ain't going for it. So anyway, I like to be able to comment to this stuff more more in a live format. So like I said, it's I'm more into the educational side of it than just a bunch of BS look what I got, who cares? I don't give a shit about your stuff. So, you know, you got a problem with your bike, I care about the bike, I don't care about you. That's pretty much how I feel. So, you know, if you want to go down and get a beer or something, good, get out of here, leave me alone, I got work to do. You want to talk about your bike or work on your bike? Well, I'm all for it. I'll spend all night doing that. I don't care. You've seen it in my videos. I work all night. Someone comes in broken, I fix it. Get them so they go home. You know, that's just how I am. So I like that part of it. I don't like all the other crap. So I'm not going to tell you what, you know, my life history. I can give a shit about it. You know, you want to know about something important? I'll talk about it. You know, other than that, I don't care. So anyway, that's just me. I'm a dumbass. Also an asshole, among other things. So I go by lots of names. But anyway, I want to help people. I think I do a little bit. So anyway, I want to be able to do something like that. So if anybody knows how to do this stuff and make my XP computer, that's my computer. It's a very modern XP version. You can see I use a Windows format. So I haven't got a clue what a Mac is or how to use it. Don't care. So, you know, whatever we can do to make it work. You know, if I got to buy some kind of a new computer, fine. I don't know if my camera will work for live streaming. Maybe I got to buy some cameras. I'm willing to spend a few bucks on the hardware and stuff and get stuff working. You know, if I got to dump $1,000 on something, I'm all right with that. If I got to spend a couple grand, no, I'll pass. So, you know, it'd be nice to be able to do something. You know, if somebody's got some parts out, you know, if people have some videos or some camera work or stuff I can use that would make this work, great, I'm all for that. You know, I have no idea what I need. So I need somebody who knows what the hell I'm doing. It ain't me. I know how to make my bike run, I know how to make your bike run. I don't know how to make that computer work. I know how to drop kick this thing. See the dent in the side of it? That's how I fixed it last time. I punched it 3 times right there and crushed it. It's working again. It was pissing me off, so I fixed it. That's how I fix them. They say that's not how you fix it, but it's working again, so I must have fixed it. It's got some extra screws that fell out of it too, so that's okay. But anyway, that's what I'm looking for. So if you got somebody out there that knows how to do this stuff, I don't have a cell phone. I'm not interested in using a cell phone stream. I want a good video. All my videos are in HD quality, whatever the hell that is. So it's all pretty good. I'm using what is this piece of crap? This is a Sony Handycam HD AVCH HD, whatever the hell that means. It's a Sony. It's a 580, I think, is what it is. They haven't made it in a few years, but I like it. It works good. Somewhere I got another one. I don't know if I can make this work. It's got all kinds of connections in the back. I have no idea how to use it. Like a mic. People say they can't hear me. Well, get over it. I don't feel like wearing a mic. See, I like doing this stuff like this. How do you do this with a mic? Not that. Where's it at? That one there. There. That's what I do. I move shit around. That's what I do. Nice and safe, too. So, go watch that video for some fun. But anyway, so the... I said, I don't know what I need. Need help. If you know what I need or can help me or know somebody can help me that's willing to work for free or damn near it and help this page out, I'm all for it. I get a lot of people looking at this stuff. I ain't making money on this deal. I make enough money to pay for some video. You want to know what I make? Here we go. Here's what I make. I made $598 estimated income last month, or this month. I don't know what the hell month it is. Yeah, I might see that, I might not. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not doing it for the money. Obviously, I ain't getting rich for that. I spend probably 3 to 4 hours a night for free doing this stuff, so not mentioning all day long filming. Anyway, I got 2.7 minutes watched. Yeah, a lot of times that's over 3. I got 337 views in the last 30 days. I got 600 new subscribers, and I got 13.5 million views, it looks like now. And we got 26,666 subscribers. That's almost a bad number. Anyway, YouTube won't let me do some stuff until I'm up to 30,000 subscribers, so I'm a little short. At this rate, the end of the year I'll be there. I don't care. I don't give a shit. If you watch it, fine. I don't care. I don't care about likes. I don't care about dislikes. I don't know what any of that means anyway. You know, all these buttons over here. What is those ones you would call a time? I don't know what all this stuff is at. Somewhere over here. Here we go. Buttons. Yeah, this like and dislike thing over here. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. Yeah, here you go. You got 3 of 45, and nobody liked me today. Oh, shit, I feel left out. There, I got 1 dislike. I'm happy now. He didn't like me. It's always one guy, though. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, that one I got 3 dislikes. All right. That's a world record there. I like that. You know, I can't, if I'm not pissing off somebody, I'm not doing my job, I don't think. So I do my best. So, but anyway, that's how all this works. So like I said, I got a lot of people watching this stuff. I think I could do more help than just watching a bunch of stupid videos. You know, so if you got the, you know, maybe I can actually help somebody real world that need help on. Most of my videos are all in here. I don't say what's in the video. I just have a playlist you watch, and it's a rebuild a whole stinking bike. I don't tell you, go here to watch a push rod clip being taken out or how to adjust your carburetor. Go watch the damn video series. It's in there somewhere. I'm sure I did it in that video series. So, anyway, this one here, you get back into here. Like I said, come on, go. Fast computer. This is very, very fast computer. Yeah, see, it's thinking up there. It's got that squirrely going. I need to put the nitrous button to it. Oh, there it goes. Boy, that is moving. This is fast computer, I'm telling you. All right, so here you go into your playlist, and you pop over here, and you can go watch real. This is really slow. There it is. You can watch all these playlist things. Now, my other computer is a Windows 10 computer, which I have no idea how to use that piece of crap. And that thing has all kinds of junk I don't like. It's hard to find anything. Anyway, I'm allowed to do whatever I want. Here, you want to live stream? I can live stream if I had a way of doing it. Come on, stupid-ass computer. You know how I fix this? I'm going to shut this button off. There. I'm going to go to this button. I like this button better. How's that work? Yeah, it's just as slow as the last time. There it goes. Okay, here's how I know how to live stream. Yeah, there. Whatever this crap is here, I can do it. I haven't got a clue what the hell that stuff is. I got zero clue what that is. Nada. Let's see. Sometime your contributions. No, nobody contributes this to me. Transsexual transaction. I don't need that. No, pass on that one. Let's see here. Somewhere in here it has something about working on. Oh, this computer's too old. My other computer has other stuff to let me do stuff. Oh, here we go. Sharing, comments, video, subscribers. Yeah, all this crap. Devices, demos. Yeah, whatever. I get all these zigzag lines over here. I can see what my popular videos are. Somebody likes flathead Fords. God, those are all the popular videos now, these flathead Ford videos. Yeah, those are the popular ones. And this 93-inch stroker I'm working on is pretty good. And there's an iron head I worked on, I guess, once. Yeah, those are the popular videos. You want to know who's watching them? It's not the girls. We got Canadian, UK, Australia, and Germany. Those are the big boys. There you go. That's who's watching my videos, in case you didn't know. Anyway, somewhere in here it has a bunch of crap I can do. Obviously, it's not letting me do it in this computer. That shouldn't surprise anybody. Here we go. I can do that. I can do that. Here we go. I can do all of this stuff. See, live streaming is enabled. I can do it if I knew how to do it. See? Yeah, click on that. We'll just blow it up like that. There, you get a full screen. How's that? I get a full screen. I can have longer than 15-minute videos. Oh, those hour-and-a-half ones are you can do now. Yeah. Has anybody found the hour and 50-minute video yet? How many of you found that? Go hunt that one down. There's one out there. Not the hour and 45-minute one, the hour and 50-minute video. I didn't feel like deleting it. Oh, this one over here I'm not eligible for yet. What is this? See, I can't even slide this over. I don't even know how to make that work. Yeah, this one here I'm not eligible for, whatever that is. Pretty much other than that, I'm good. I can do it if I knew how to do it. So, but anyway, like I said, I'm a dumbass, so I don't know how to do any of this crap. So I can shoot a camera, kind of, here and there. Pretty good at working on.